Hi, I am Alice, and you are watching Swing and Cradle channel. Today we will talk about how to write a CV. Please like and subscribe our channel. What is a CV? How long should a CV be? What to include in a CV? CV format. How to write a good CV. Get help with your CV. First impressions count, especially when applying for jobs. Find out how to write a CV and discover useful tips to help make your CV stand out from the crowd. What is a CV? A CV, which stands for Curriculum Vitae, is a document used when applying for jobs. It allows you to summarize your education, skills and experience, enabling you to successfully sell your abilities to potential employers. In the USA and Canada, CVs are known as resumes. These documents tend to be more concise and follow no particular formatting rules. How long should a CV be? A standard CV in the UK should be no longer than 2 sides of A4. Take a look at our example of a chronological CV for inspiration. To save space, only include the main points of your education and experience. Stick to relevant information and don't repeat what you've said in your cover letter. As a recent graduate, your CV may only take up 1 page, and that's okay. Some medical or academic CVs may be longer depending on your experience. What to include in a CV? Contact details. Include your full name, home address, mobile number and email address. Unless you're applying for an acting or modeling job, you don't need to include your date of birth or a photograph. Profile. A CV profile is a concise statement that highlights your key attributes and helps you stand out from the crowd. Usually placed at the beginning of the CV, it picks out a few relevant achievements and skills, while expressing your career aims. A good CV profile focuses on the sector you're applying to, as your cover letter will be job-specific. Keep CV personal statements short and snappy. 100 words is the perfect length. Discover how to write a personal statement for your CV. Education. List and date all previous education, including professional qualifications. Place the most recent first. Include specific modules only where relevant. Work experience. List your work experience in reverse date order, making sure that anything you mention is relevant to the job you're applying for. If you have plenty of relevant work experience, this section should come before education. Skills and achievements. This is where you talk about the foreign languages you speak and the IT packages you can competently use. The key skills that you list should be relevant to the job. Don't exaggerate your abilities, as you'll need to back up your claims at interview. If you've got lots of job-specific skills, you should do a skills-based CV. Interests.